Realme 7 Pro India launch teased, leak reveals specs and color variants. Realme took the wraps off its entry-level Realme C12 and C15 phones earlier this week. But, the company plans to continue its smartphone launch spree with the debut of the Realme 7 series in early September. Realme India CEO Madhav Sheth, in response to a fan, tweeted that he's not been seen at recent launch event because he was busy making two new smartphones. The tweet carries the hashtag building the faster 7, which is a strong hint towards the imminent launch of the Realme 7 and 7 Pro in India. These devices will succeed the Realme 6 lineup, which brought a 90Hz display to the sub-Rs 15,000 price segment. Now, you must have a lot of questions. Will Realme 7 also feature a 90Hz or 120Hz display? Which chipset will it be powered by? And more. While Sheth does not reveal the launch date, a recent leak suggests that Realme 7 and 7 Pro will go official in early September. There isn't a lot of information available online for these phones, but the leak talks about the colors and configurations. Realme 7 will apparently be available in 3 configurations, 6GB of RAM plus 64GB of storage, 6GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 128GB. It will come in mist blue and mist white color variants. The Pro variant, on the other hand, won't have a 64GB variant and arrive in mirror blue and mirror silver colorways very soon. The company recently confirmed the launch of a new Realme X7 series in China, and it is highly possible that the Realme 7 series will be a rebrand of the same. Realme X7 Pro has already passed via certification agencies with the model number RMX 2176. It will feature a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a punch hole cutout, 2.4 GHz processor, most likely the newly announced Dimensity 800U, with 5G support, 64MP quad rear camera setup, and 65 watts fast charging support, as per the 10R listing. Realme X7 and X7 Pro launch on September 1st in China. It will be interesting to see if the Realme 7 series will be a rebranded version of the X7 series. The company could bring 5G connectivity to the sub-Rs 20,000 price segment if this turns out to be true.